Let's learn how do we divide the number 272 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the number 2. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 7 here. See that this is the number 7. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract, we get 1. Now again see that this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. And we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 272 divided by 2 is equal to this number 136. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.